welcome back to Graceful Beauty. My name is Sherry and today's beauty tips in 2 minutes is how to get a natural glow in seconds. So you want that JLo Glow and that beautiful lit from within glow, and you wonder, golly, do I have to have 800 gallons of water a day and just eat kale and blueberries only? Now, I'm not saying not to eat a healthy diet and to drink lots of water, because that is very important. But if you want to get that healthy, lit from within glow in seconds, use a highlighter. Now, if you have mature skin like I do, a lot of the highlighters out there accentuate my wrinkles and my pores, and the things that I'm trying to camouflage, when I put on the highlighter, I notice them even more. So what kind of highlighter works well for mature skin? Well, I have a few to show you that work really, really well for me. One that I like is by Mary Luminizer, and it's called the Luminizer. This is a beautiful highlight. This is another one that's awesome. It's by Algenist. It is their concentrated luminizing drops. This gives you a natural, beautiful glow. And the one I'm going to apply for you today is by CoverFX. It's their custom enhancer drops. So just take a little bit of the highlighter out, put a little bit on your finger, and then you just pat it on the areas where light naturally hits. Now you instantly look healthy and you have that beautiful lit from within glow. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more quick beauty tips in 2 minutes, leave me a comment down below and I hope you'll consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope you have a great day.